रब्बी शरह ली सदरी रब्बी शरह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी व हलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Today we gather to celebrate in a respect of 12th of Rabiul Awwal, and I want to say something about Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In the 7th year after the Hijrah, in February 629, Christianity existed. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was due to go to the Mecca for the circuit of the Kaaba. This had been agreed by the Meccan leaders. When the time came for the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to depart, he collected 2,000 followers and set out in the direction of Mecca. When he reached to Marradu Haram, a healthy place near Mecca, he ordered his followers to sheathe their armors. They were collected in one place in strict conformity of the terms of the agreement signed at Hudaybiyah. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his followers entered the sacred enclosure, only wearing sheathed swords. Returning to Mecca after 7-year excitement, it is not ordinary thing for 2,000 persons to enter Mecca. They remember the tortures to which they had been subjected during their days at Mecca. At the same time, they saw how gracious God had been them to letting them come back and make a circuit of the Kaaba in a peace. Their anger was only equal to their joy. The Meccan people had come out their houses and presented themselves at top of the hills to see the Muslim. The Muslim were full of zeal, enthusiasm and pride. They wanted to tell the Meccans the promises which God having with them, they all come true. The Abdullah bin Rawah radhiyallahu ta'ala anha started singing a song of war. But Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam stopped him. Do not singing a war song. Only say they are not to be worshipped except the one God. It is God who has the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to raise their believers from degradation to of dignity, and who draw off the enemy. After circuiting the Kaaba, the running between the hills of Safa and Marwa, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his followers stopped in Mecca for 3 days. The Abbas radhiyallahu ta'ala anha had a widowed sister-in-law, Maimuna radhiyallahu ta'ala anha. He should propose that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam should marry her. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam agreed. On the 4th day, the Meccan demanded the withdrawal of the Muslims. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam ordered a withdrawal and asked his followers started back for Medina. So religiously did he carry out the agreement, and so